Friday the 13th it is today. Lovely March morning. Managed to get out on the Scrambler for once. Got a late morning start at work. Thought I'd come out, have a little blast. I'm gonna go and find somewhere to pull up so I can show you guys around the bike, because I've had a hell of a lot of requests to show you the bike since so I'll go find a spot. We'll stop. I'll walk you around the bike. All right. I'll give you a quick walkabout. Some of the bits you'll have seen before, but some bits are new. Obviously, the glaring of them is the new paint job. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen some of these bits anyway. So we've put the bottom, they're the Triumph bottom bars. Obviously, I've painted them black to match the top bars from SW Motec. Tail tidy is on. She looks mean. With the motor gadget pin indicators, I'll show you those now because they're really cool. Pop the hazards on there. Yeah, they're so good. I mean, I've mounted them in a not really where I wanted them, but that's where it sort of they ended up. But it'll be right because of what I'm doing with the luggage options with the rail. It worked out for them to be better there than where I was going to put them before, otherwise, because you wouldn't have really seen them. So that's that. And I'll tell you what I'm doing with the rail. I'm waiting for another part to come from Kriega when it's out of stock. So I'm waiting for another part from Kriega, which is the Kriega OS platform that I'm going to put on the side there. So that's going to go on the side and give me like a pannier mounting option. I know you can get the Triumph rugged pannier, but it's not really what I want to do with the bike. I mean, the rail works for all intents and purposes, but I don't really particularly like the pannier. Pannier's good, but I don't want it for, you know, everybody has their own like image of what they want to do with their motorcycle, and for what I want to do with the Kriega option works better. And plus I've got a load of Kriega luggage anyway. I'm a big Kriega fanboy. Always repping Kriega. So yeah, I bought the Kriega OS platform, a new bag to go on there, and I'm thinking maybe possibly getting the rotor packs, putting the rotor packs fuel can on there, because that's it. One of the other limiting factors of the Scrambler is its fuel tank capacity. I mean, it's alright, you get fairly decent MPG. I don't, because of the short exhaust. I seem to have absolutely pissed my MPG away, but you know, it is what it is. So the other bit, the rear rack, that'll be getting a tent or something, I assume, put on the back of it for when I'm going away places. I still need to sort out the front indicators because they're pretty hideous. But for now, I'm going to keep them until I get paid and probably buy some more motor gadget pins and put those on the front. But yeah, let's have a look at the paint job. Look at that. Beautiful. Nardo grey, that's what I wanted from the beginning when I first got the bike. It was just not building up the courage to do it, but having the push and the will to actually do that. And I think she's turned out absolutely stunning, and I can't stop looking at it. I'm in two minds whether to have the front fender and the rear fender painted as well. I don't know, maybe black, maybe Nardo grey. I haven't decided, so that's why I didn't send those. And the decals, I think those decals really suit the bike. It's oh, they're so nice. I don't know, I mean, those top engine bars are a little bit lairish and are probably a little bit over the top, but for what I'm going to use my bike for, I think that they're going to work pretty well. Just from that stance, the bike looks so mean. If you just cleaned up the back end, had no number plate, no rack on or anything like that, got rid of the rear light, this bike would look absolutely amazing. But for riding on the road, you need all that shit on, don't you? So it is what it is. I'm also in two minds whether to change the handguards for the new Scrambler bark busters, but I think for now I'm going to keep them. So I know one thing that you guys always want to hear is the exhaust. yeah, I can't wait till she's finished. When I get the Kriega shit on it, this bike's going to be fucking equipped, really equipped for adventure. And then I'm going to put it to the test in April. Go back up to Scotland on it. Beautiful, love it, love it. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I know a lot of you had been asking for a walk around with the bike since it's had all its customization done for the custom Scrambler 1200 XC. It's ace. Oh my god, look at all those mosquitoes. Get out of here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you haven't, click the bell notification and you get a ping every time I upload a video. But yeah, hit me up on Instagram if you want to message me or anything like that. I'm quite active on Instagram, so message me on there, leave a comment, like the video if you haven't already, and I'll see you in a bit, guys. Bye.